What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Swerve back with another video. Today, I can tell by the title, I'm gonna go ahead and get some starlights installed today to my roof. But we do have a current issue at the moment with my car. So my car has been, ever since this morning about 4 a.m., my car has been randomly spamming at SOS. Like, I don't know why it's happening. But we're at the dealership. I'm gonna get it checked out right now and see what they're talking about. I'm gonna let y'all know after what happened to my car as far as the SOS being obsessively abused. Because I don't know why it kept calling them about 20 times. I had to stay in the car and cancel it about 30 times. So you're about to see what the issue is. And, get back to y'all. So right now it's looking like I gotta leave my damn car here for about 2 to 3 days. 2 days they're jacking. 2 damn days, bro. Good thing I got one. So we look. Nobody put me up in the Don't put me up in the green. So right now it is, what is that? Wednesday, March 13th. I wasn't gonna make this a video until now, but I haven't had my car since that last clip. So now I'm making this a video because they told me 2 days I wouldn't have my car. Because apparently, I'm gonna put a clip in the, I'm gonna put a clip right here and show y'all what happened to my car.
Hello, just wanted to let you know that we did notice that this was loose and a bunch of water got inside by the emergency call module, and it shorted out the module. So I'd highly recommend just replacing the shark fin and the emergency call module. Other than that, that seems to be your problem. A bunch of water got inside. But other than that, that's my conclusion. As you can see, there's a bit of corrosion on the module, the white stuff right there. So yeah, that's what I recommend.
But yeah, I haven't got my car since. They've been giving me a runaround. They've been giving me a runaround and shit on when I'll get my car. I haven't got it this whole entire time. So hopefully I get my car today. And I did not expect this to be a big issue, but I guess it is. So yeah. So yeah, we're currently on our way. I'm currently on my way to go pick up the car right now. It's 5:30, as y'all can see. And yeah, I'm about to just have to pay this. Look, let me show y'all the amount I gotta pay, because this is ridiculous. Look at this. $3,200. All because my SOS shit right here kept going off one night. Let me really tell y'all the story now. So I wake up. Well, I'm up already. 4 in the morning. I'm on the game. I get a phone call from, I think, the police department. They say, is everything okay? We seen you hit the SOS button in your car. I'm thinking someone's stealing my car out here. So I run to my car, see no one there. I'm confused. I'm like, it was just a misunderstanding, mistake or something. I go in the car, it calls them again as I'm on the phone with the department. Then I stay in the car to really check on it, and it keeps spam. I have to decline it every time. Sometimes I can't even decline it. So I'm like, yeah, let me just take my shit to the BMW dealership next morning. I go there, I'm thinking it's gonna be quick. They tell me 2 days, cool, right? I got warranty and all that, should cover it. They tell me because of the wrap I got on my roof, they tried to say that loosened the shark fin, which made water leak into the thing. And I know 1,000,000% that's not what happened. Because the same day I got a car wash from some new spot, and the pressure of the blower was hitting crazy. So I know that's what loosened it and got the water in it at the same time. So I'm like, okay, cool. They voided my warranty because of my roof. And that's why I had to pay that. That's not crazy, bro. And they told me 2 days. It is now a week later. A week later, I dropped it off Sunday. It is the next Wednesday. Like, oh man. We better go get this car though. We better go get this car. I didn't even get a chance to install my carbon spoiler that came in, so fucking man. Currently waiting for Lee to come out and get gas so we can go to the BMW spot. It's like 5 minutes away, but I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there.
Like, yo, I'm talking about land, man. Everybody, you ain't serious. What they gonna tell you?
Demon home. Demon home. I haven't seen that nigga in a week, bro. I've been Carlos for a week, gang. We are back in Swerve Jr. chat. So yeah, I have my car now, and the first thing I can tell is that they removed the coating of the seatbelt. As y'all can hear, my seatbelt is going off. But we back in the V. I don't know if y'all can hear me good, but we are back. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Didn't even know this was supposed to be a video. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn on them post notice. Yeah, it's my first BMW issue since I got the car. And I had it for what, about 2 months now, so yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.